Hello everyone. We are from Team Miki Warriors and we are introducing ourselves under the TPO activity. Let me introduce first myself. My name is Mahesh Papat Mualkar. I belong from Srigonda in Maharashtra. I am currently pursuing my mechanical engineering from Government College of Engineering Karad. I have completed my 12th and 10th in Srigonda along with 89% in 10th and 82% in 12th. The thing about my skill, I'm interested in CAD designing, especially in SolidWorks. I have worked on project in SolidWorks, the design of the catalytic converter at a low cost by replacing their core metals. Similarly, I'm interested in programming languages also. I have knowledge about the C, C++, and the basic knowledge of Python. I have completed more three projects. The conversion of plastic into fuel by pyrolysis process, and the second one is that the reduction of the CO2 in the environment produced by the vehicles, and the third one that measure the temperature and humidity in the environment by using the Arduino Uno. And the interested fields are learning the new things and the CAD designing, and the hobbies are swimming and reading books. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Atharva Kiran Kulkarni. I am currently pursuing my undergraduate degree from Government College of Engineering, Karad. I have completed my secondary education from St. Xavier's High School, Aurangabad with 87%, and I have completed my higher secondary education from Shiv Chhatrapati College, Aurangabad with 75%. Talking about my skills, I believe I am hardworking, problem solver, and a team player. I have completed two projects. One of them was home security system with PIR sensors, and second one was low cost catalytic converter. I have completed two internships. First one was for Urban Grocers as a marketing and advertising intern. Second one was for Stanza Living as a sales and marketing intern. My strengths are confidence, consistency, and problem solving. My area of development are working on my creative side and working on my communication skills. That's all from my side. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. Myself Vaishnavi Satish Gavhane. Currently, I am pursuing BTech degree from Government College of Engineering Karad in Mechanical branch, and I'm studying in third year. I was student of Jawahan Uday Vidyalaya Pune from 6th standard to 12th standard, and I got 94.6 percentage in 10th CBSE board examination and 92.6 percentage in 12th CBSE board examination. In previous year only I got selected for common scholarship, and recently I was working on a project named automatic plant watering system by using Arduino Uno under the guidance of Professor R.K. Srivastava, and in my opinion it will be very beneficial project in agricultural field. Beside having knowledge of subjects, I also have the knowledge of languages like C language and basic Java, and I'm still working on it. My hobbies includes traveling and watching animes. That's it. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Anujatul Vattamar. I am from Ambazogai district, Bid. Currently, I am pursuing third year of mechanical engineering at Government College of Engineering, Karad. I have completed my higher secondary education from Yogeshwari Mahavidyalaya with 74% and my secondary education from New Vision Public School, Ambazogai with 9.5 CGPA. I have interest in CAD designing softwares such as SolidWorks, Fusion 360, as well as Siemens NX, and I have some interest in Python language as well. I have completed two internships till now. One was at Mechathon Engineering Private Limited as product design intern, and other was at Elect Techno Groups as mechanical design intern. I have completed two projects till now. One was power generating shock absorber, and other was the prototype of complete mechanisms. Thank you.
Firstly, thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Pranali Pramod Mahamuni. I am from Satara. I did my HSC from Maluji Raja Junior College, Lonan. and SSC from New English School for Girls, Lonal. Currently, I am pursuing engineering in mechanical department from Government College of Engineering, Karad. I did a project which name is Automated Irrigation System by using Arduino Uno and also working in team SA Tifun. I am interested in CAD design and also start learning C languages. Apart from schooling, I learn MS Office and computer typing also. I like painting. My strengths are I am hard worker and critical thinking ability and decision making. Thank you for.
I am currently pursuing my BTech in Mechanical Engineering from Government College of Engineering, Karad. I completed my higher secondary education from Mahesh Vidya Mandir and Junior College, Mehekar with 75% and my secondary education from MES High School, Mehekar with 85%. Afterward, through CAT score, I got admission in this college. I work on two projects. First one is the thief detector, which will help to caught the thief, and second one is the catalytic converter. It helps to convert harmful gases to less harmful gases, which are emitted from vehicles. Talking about my strength, I am hardworking and mix up in atmosphere, and I am weak in communication skill. My hobby is playing badminton. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. I am Dhanashri Raje. Right now, I am pursuing my BTech degree from Government College of Engineering, Karad. I am studying in third year. I was student of Maharaja Sahajirao Junior College, Satara for 11th and 12th. I got 97.80 percentage in 10th standard and 80.46 percentage in 12th standard. Recently, I was working on mini solar steel project under the guidance of Professor K.S. Garge. I learned SolidWorks. Right now, I'm working on C language and also looking for MATLAB software. My hobby is book reading. That's all from my side. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Ratin Somnath Agre. My native place is Patan, Maharashtra. I am currently pursuing my undergraduate degree in mechanical engineering from Government College of Engineering, Karad. I completed my secondary education from Mandashing Vidyalaya Patan with 87% and my higher secondary education from HM College, Karad with 64%. Afterwards that I afterwards through CT score I got the admission in this college. Talking about my skills, I believe I am hardworking, problem solving, and team player. I have completed two projects during my engineering. First one was convert plastic into fuel by pyrolysis process, and second one solar mini steel. I have completed one internship with Vodafone as a marketing and advertising intern. Talking about my strength, I consider confidence, consistency, and problem solving as my strength. And my area of development are exploring my creative sides and improving my communication skill as I believe I am weak in that domain, except that I have interest in swimming and trekking. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Anuj Nandakumar Kadam. I have completed my SSC from Maharaja Sayajirao Vidyalaya Satara with 94% and my HSC from Maharaja Sayajirao Junior College Satara with 77%, and currently I am pursuing my BTech degree in mechanical engineering from Government College of Engineering, Karad. I have completed two minor projects. First one is a thief detector, which is useful for security purpose, and second one is a catalytic converter, which is helpful for environmental purpose. And currently I am in a different team in which we are going to manufacture a tractor vehicle for agricultural purpose. And apart of this all, I would like to say that my favorite hobbies are playing cricket and watching South Indian movies. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Harshvardhan Mahendra Pingre. I am currently pursuing BTech in Mechanical Engineering from Government College of Engineering, Karad. I have done secondary education from Maratha High School, Nashik with 94% and higher secondary education from Agarwal College, Pune with 76%. I have done 2 projects in engineering. First one is 3 detector and second one is low cost catalytic converter. Along with that, I have done 1 internship in basic robotics at SmartNova. I have also done 2 certifications. First one is basic Python and the second one is Arduino and basic C language. My skills are good leadership, communication and designing. My hobbies are playing sports and reading books.